Imagine standing in the heart of a modern city on a hot summer afternoon. The heat radiates from every corner, so intense that asphalt begins to soften. Children play on rooftops with no shade, while polluted air silently seeps into their lungs. The city feels almost unlivable. But here's the truth: NASA satellites already see these. They capture heat signatures, shrinking green cover, and shifting air quality patterns. The tragedy isn't the lack of data, it is that urban planners and local leaders don't have an accessible way to use it. We are Team Laniakea, and we embraced NASA Space Apps 2025's challenge, Data Pathways to Healthy Cities and Human Settlements. Our vision: to turn NASA's powerful data into not just insights, but actionable steps. That's why we built CityPath, a web and mobile platform that makes NASA data usable for urban planners, local leaders, and everyday citizens. Urbanization is outpacing infrastructure. These unplanned growth fuels heat, pollution, and inequality. These challenges cost billions in adaptation and millions of lives and livelihoods. Yet planning still relies on guesswork and outdated maps. CityPath changes that. It highlights heat hotspots, population density, and green gaps on an interactive map. It provides AI-driven site selection for tree plantation, cooling centers, clinics, transport hubs, or green corridors, and it explains the reasoning: transparent, reliable, and backed by NASA science. Local leaders can create community events like tree plantation in exact heat zones. Built first as a pilot in Dhaka, CityPath already identifies specific areas where trees can reduce temperature and improve air quality. NASA research shows urban greening can cool city temperatures by up to 2.5 degrees Celsius. Events appear on maps so general user can explore, join, and respond. To build these, we used trusted NASA EarthData, NASA GIPS for base maps, MODIS for land surface temperature, Landsat for vegetation and land cover, all accessed seamlessly through APIs. Think about it: a policymaker deciding where to build a park, a community leader planning a tree plantation, or a citizen simply curious about how their neighborhood is changing. With CityPath, all of them have access to the same trusted science-backed intelligence. It means fewer children breathing toxic air, fewer families trapped in heat waves, and smarter cities aligned with UN Sustainable Development Goals SDG 11, Sustainable Cities SDG 13, Climate Action SDG 15, Life on Land. CityPath makes these global goals locally actionable. Today, we begin with Dhaka. Tomorrow, this scales to every city, whether sprawling capitals or smaller towns. Because every city has a story written in heat, air, and land. NASA satellites already captured these stories. CityPath ensures people can read them and act on them. We are not just building a tool, we are shaping a future where cities are resilient, breathable, and livable. That is the path forward. That is CityPath.